Hey guys, in this part we talk about modules in Python. What is a module? Consider a module to be same as a code library, a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. Create a module. To create a module, just save the code you want to insert in a file with the .py file extension. So I create a Python file, my module .py, and define a function greeting, and we have name and print hello and name. Save and use a module. Now we can use the module we just created by using the import statement. So in here, import my module and use greeting function, my module dot greeting, and save and run. And sorry, we should pass a name, for example John. Save and run, and hello John. And variables in module. The module can contain functions as already described, but also variables of all types, arrays, dictionaries, and objects, and etc. So in my module, I create a dictionary person1, person1 equal to name is John and age is 20 and country is Norway. Save and import the person1. Import my module and use person1. Print my module dot person1 and run, and we have person1 in here. And renaming a module, you can create an alias when you import a module by using the as keyword. So import my module as mx, save, and mx.greeting and mx.person1, save and run, and hello John and person1. And built-in modules. There are several built-in modules in Python which you can import whenever you like. So for example, I import the platform and print, for example, platform dot system, and save and run, and my system is Windows. And using the dir function, there is a built-in function to list all the function names or variable names in a module. So print use dir function and platform, save and run, and this list is all functions and variables in platform. And import from module, you can choose to import only parts from a module by using the from keyword. So for example, comment this and comment this, and from my module import person1, save and remove the mx.person1, and we have person1 in here. Save and run, and comment this, run again, and we have person1.